Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Select card you want to add, and now you can scan your card or enter member ID. Then we can go to gift card, and similarly to loyalty card, you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap save. Last card you can add is public transport, and if you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.